Welcome back everybody. In this video we're gonna have a look on Litecoin versus Bitcoin and versus the US dollar and why it's super bullish, guys. Starting with the monthly here on the Bitcoin chart, you can see we're now at these levels, guys, at the lowest levels of this chart. Okay, this is a monthly chart from 2015, guys. Okay, Litecoin is an old dog. Now you can see anytime we are coming back to these regions, the market blow off. Okay, now I'm not saying it's gonna blow off right away, but I'm saying risk reward wise, this is a very good place to scoop some Litecoin. Okay, now you can see when we come into these regions, whales, or smart money starting to get out. Okay, getting out of the trade. But anyway, this is a big move. If you buy now and you sell in here, you have a 250% gains on the Bitcoin. That's massive gain. Now anyway, zoom in here the weekly, guys. If you open the weekly, look at that. We're in this falling wedge. We're in this falling wedge on the weekly. We've been here a long time, guys. We need to break. We need to close a weekly candle body above the wedge, outside of the wedge. Okay, and after that, we want to take out this high around 0.0054 satoshis to really confirm a bullish move. Now, another very good indication here for a bullish behavior on the larger time frame. Look at that. This is the RSI. The weekly RSI, you can see we're making here a bottom and we're making a higher low here on the RSI. The RSI making higher low while the price making lower low. This is a bullish divergence on the weekly, my friends. On the weekly time frame, you want to look for a serious shift in the macro trend. And Litecoin looks, in my opinion, that is going to make a serious breakout soon. Very serious breakout soon. Now let's zoom in here on the daily. You can see a very good, nice indication here that we're breaking out here. This is a Bittrex chart, so you don't see a lot of volume. I use the Bittrex chart because of the price history. Okay, now you can see a clear breakout of the volume here. Okay, you can see this is a double bottom here, a double bottom, but this bottom dips a little bit lower than that one. Okay, that means it fake out. It fake out a lot of people, shake out the weak hands, and now it's gonna bounce. So if you're a Litecoin hodler, hold. You don't want to sell now. You don't want to sell now. Now let's have a look on the dollar chart. Okay, Litecoin versus dollar. Give you some more clarification here. Now look at the breakout here on the dollar. Look at the breakout of the volume. You can see clearly Litecoin bulls are back. We broke out of this head and shoulders here on the daily. You can see that was the neckline. Okay, I actually posted this setup in my group. We've been buying Litecoin since here, $51 area. You can see this is the classic head and shoulders. Okay, market making higher low. We're getting an uptick in the volume here. Okay, so that's very bullish behavior for Litecoin. Okay, now I'm gonna take profits obviously in this region. Okay, I'm gonna take some profits, but I'm gonna keep the majority of my bag on the table because I think Litecoin have a very good case now for a blow off. Okay, now also you can see where we're breaking out. We broke out of this level. Okay, let me one moment. Not like that. All right, you can see we broke out of this box. This is like a reaccumulation. We've been accumulating here, had a blow off. Now we came back down, reaccumulating, clear breakout of the volume, and in my opinion, right now we're gonna nail the $67 mark, and probably we're gonna hit these levels in the next 2 weeks up to a month, in my opinion. This is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Obviously, this is just an entertainment video. And also another indication here, guys, Litecoin looking great. You can take out the trend line here. Okay, a clear resistance. We broke above it, came back to retest this trend line, and now we are coming back above it on the backup phase. Now this is the place where smart money is buying the retest of the macro time frame. Okay, smart money is buying here. You got very bullish fundamental news with the PayPal that we're now gonna be adding to PayPal as well. Litecoin as well can be used on PayPal. So this is a combination of fundamentals and technicals, bullish, very bullish events on Litecoin. Okay, now I want to show you a trade setup I shared with my trading group yesterday. If you were in my group, you were up already around 30%. I want to show you. This is a trade setup I shared yesterday in my group. This is eGold. Okay, eGold. You can see eGold USDT. yesterday on the 23rd of October. You can see, let me zoom in here on the setup. That's the setup. E-gold by the breakout of 835. Okay. Now let me show you what E-gold's been doing here in the last day. One moment. E-gold USD. Okay. 835. This is the line. This is where we buying. Right here. Right here, we've been buying here in my group, in my trading group. You can see this is 835. If you were in my group now, you were already up 22% on your investment. That's massive. And this coin, keep it on your radar. This coin will probably do very, very well in the coming weeks. You can see the breakout of the volume. You can see clear double bottom. Now, if you're new to crypto, if you are more a swing trader or an investor, it doesn't matter. It's very important to learn how to use technical analysis, how to identify the coins that are going to move, and how and when to buy. Okay, you don't want to buy here, you don't want to buy here, you want to buy at the right moment, and this is the right moment. I teach how to buy in the right moment. If you're interested, check out the links in the description. This is the link to my trading group. Click on the link, choose a tier, and join the movement. I see you in the next one. Cheers.